Hello everyone, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel and you are watching AI with Ashok. In this channel, we will talk and share our knowledge on cutting edge technologies like artificial intelligence, machine learning, natural language processing, computer vision, deep learning and many more to go. If you want to know about this, kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like and share this video. Let's learn together. Just. Today in this video we are going to see about how to create a Python virtual environment in Ubuntu either 18.06.04 or 20.04. So in this video we are going to see about how to create a virtual environment using Python and also in using terminal. So first we need to check what is our Python version is installed. So to check, I am going to open the terminal now. So in terminal, to check for what Python version you have installed in your laptop, so just put Python 3, because if you need to put 3 because you need to check the Python 3 version. So Python 3 minus capital V. So if you put this, you will get the Python version. Python, I have in my laptop I have installed Python 3.8.5. this came along when I installed Ubuntu. This is also came along. This Python version is installed by default. So if then if you don't have Python, you need to install Python by just put this command. First you need to update the packages and repository. So for that give sudo apt update. So when you run this command, it will ask you for a password. So give your password. So this will update your repositories and all other things which you have installed in your laptop. So after updating, we will install our Python by using a simple command. Just sudo apt get install Python 3.8. So if you need Python 3.8, we will install Python 3.8, or else we need some person will ask Python 3.6 for maintaining the versions. So if you want Python 3.6, you can install Python 3.6 also, 3.6, 3.7 or any other version, or latest the 3.9. So any other version you can install by directly. Yeah. Now we have updated our repositories. To install Python 3.8, just input this command sudo apt install Python 3.8. So if you want Python 3.8, just input Python 3.8, or else Python 3.6, Python 3.6, for Python 3.7, Python 3.7, just it. So I am going to install Python 3.8 now. I have already installed, but for you I am going to reinstall again. Yeah, it's showing Python 3.8 is already in the newest version and it was installed in my laptop. So next step. So next we are going to, for creating a virtual environment, we need to install a package named virtual env. So for installing that, sudo pip3 install virtual env. So sudo means we are giving the root permission to install this package, and pip3 means using Python 3 version. For Python 3 version you need to give pip3, or else if you directly give only pip, and this will install for Python 2 version. So if you give pip3, it will install for Python 3 version. So then we need to install this package named virtual env. So we need to install this package. So this will install a virtual environment, and then I will show how to create a virtual environment and how to activate the virtual environment to your Python project. So now this was installing virtual environment. It's about 7.2 MB, and now it was installing the dependency packages to run virtual environment. And finally we have installed the virtual environment package. And now clear this commands, and for now create a folder for your project, anything like and now I am going to create a folder name called project, just project. Make dir will this mkdir command will create a project in this location. So I am going to name this folder name as project. So make dir project. So make dir project, we already created the make dir project, and let's go into this project. We are getting to this project, and we are going to create a virtual environment for this project. So you need to give the command is python 3 because we are going to create virtual environment for the python 3 version. So python 3 -m hyphen m, and you need to name this package as vnv, and our virtual environment name we can give this as anything, vnv or env or anything as project, anything we can give. So we can give any name for this, and it will create a virtual environment with this name in our project. So now it was creating a virtual environment for our, and just we have created the project environment. And next step, we are going to activate this environment. How to activate this project env? So for activating this, just put this command: source project env / bin / activate. So this command will activate our Python project environment. So whenever you do any installation for pip installation for this project, you need to activate this, and it will come like project env. So if we want to install anything like pip install, now when you activate this environment, you can just put pip install itself. No need to put pip3 install or sudo pip3 install. So pip install will directly install the package, any package name you can give. So this is our video, and we want to get any queries. If you have any queries, just put it in the comment section. I will clarify your doubts. And thank you for the video. If you love this video, do subscribe to my channel, give like or dislike. If you like this, give like. If you don't like, give dislike, and share your comments in comment section. Thank you.